Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your privacy and reduce the amount of data Google collects about your Gmail usage, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable smart features and personalization in the Gmail app. This quick update will help you keep your inbox experience more private and tailored to your preferences. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to update. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. It's those three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, usually found in the top left corner. Give that a tap. Now, scroll down the menu until you see the Settings option. Tap on Settings to open up a list of all your connected Gmail accounts. Next, select the email account where you want to change these settings. If you have multiple accounts, you'll need to repeat these steps for each one. Once you've tapped on your account, scroll down until you find the section labeled Smart Features and Personalization. This is where Gmail controls features like automatic email categorization, Smart Compose suggestions, and other personalized tools that use your data to enhance your inbox experience. To turn these off, simply uncheck the box next to Smart Features and Personalization. You might see a quick message explaining what you'll lose by disabling these features, such as smart replies or automatic event creation. If you're sure about your choice, just confirm, and you're all set. That's it. You've now disabled smart features and personalization for your Gmail account. This means Gmail will no longer use your email content to personalize your experience, giving you more control over your data and privacy. If you ever change your mind, you can always revisit these settings and turn the features back on. Thanks for watching.